Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to check how much ink is left in your cartridge so that have an idea of when it's time to order a new one to replace it. If it is time to order a new one to replace it, I'm going to put in the video description a promo code that XTool gave me for you guys so that you can save a little money on your replacement cartridge, okay? So you can see that I'm at my machine. I have the machine turned on and connected. And now I'm going to click right here on settings. And obviously I have my print module on the machine right now. Okay, so I'm going to click right here on settings. And then I'm going to go down to the bottom on the left, accessory information. And now I'm going to scroll down. And that's all there is to it. That's so you can see how much is left on each of, and obviously when any one of these is gone, the whole cartridge is done. So at that point, it would be time to replace it. And that's all there is to it. If this video was helpful or interesting to you, like the video. That helps me with the algorithm. I appreciate that. Tons of good projects coming up here. Join us on Facebook also. I'll link two groups. I'll link XTool for Beginners, which is ours. It says maybe 115,000 members, super friendly, super helpful. But I'm also going to link the M2 group. So XTool M2 for Beginners. Definitely join us there also if you have an M2 or if you're looking to get one. And that's it. I hope you have a great day. Bye.